If you're getting a Trello error uploading image and your file just won't attach to a card, don't worry, this is usually a quick fix. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through exactly how to fix the Trello image upload error in just a few minutes. We'll cover file size limits, supported formats, browser issues, permissions, and a few hidden fixes that most people miss. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't skip the step that's actually causing the problem. And if this helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Trello and productivity tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to check is the file size. If you're using Trello's free plan, there is a 10 megabyte limit per attachment. That means if your image is 10 MB or larger, Trello will block the upload automatically. To check this, right-click the image on your computer, click Properties on Windows or Get Info on Mac, and look at the file size. If it's over 10 MB, you'll need to compress it. You can use a free image compressor online, reduce the resolution, or even take a screenshot of the image to create a smaller version. Once the file is under 10 MB, try uploading it again.